Hi everyone, it's Aisha Beau here, and in this week's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make these two very delicious fall cocktails. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. I'm so excited for this one. Fall is here, and as you all know, I've become quite the mixologist at home. So I wanted to experiment on two brand new fall cocktails that caught my eye. So I'm gonna walk you through a super straightforward tutorial on how to make a apple cider bourbon cocktail, as well as a pumpkin martini. I honestly can't decide which one I like more. The pumpkin martini is nice, creamy, really packs a lot of fall flavors like pumpkin spice. And then the apple cider bourbon, it's obviously a little bit stronger and it's a little more refreshing, but it really tastes so delicious. So I'm not gonna hold this up any longer. I'm gonna dive right into this tutorial because I know you're itching to find out how to make these for yourself. Let me know in the comments section which one you'd like to try at home. There you have it, my tutorial on how to make both of these lovely fall cocktails. Super easy to do at home, great for if you're at home by yourself on the weekend or if you're entertaining some friends during the fall. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Also, let me know which one do you want to get, which one do you want to try for yourself. I think I'm leaning a little bit more towards the pumpkin martini, but it's just so hard. It's such a hard decision. So thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, cheers.